Well, today we're gonna cook a very special burger. It's going to be the Vietnamese Bánh Mì Burger. I don't think anybody has done this before.
Hello, Tom. I know about your success, about your YouTube channel. I am sure that you are going to be expanding and growing more and more. Saludos, Tomás.
I crave a good burger. During the lockdown, I can't get a good burger, so I'm gonna make one myself. And I don't know how to make a burger, so I have no idea how this is gonna go. It could be a complete disaster, or it could be great. We don't know. I already have my ingredients laid out in front of me. So we have some mushroom, some butter. I'm gonna use some salt, some pepper, and soy sauce, and American cheese. Of course, you can't make a burger without beef. And this is 80-20, 80% lean beef and 20% fat. We're just gonna be very juicy. And also, we're gonna have some bacon in our burger. So this is the Japanese bacon. And of course, we're gonna wrap it in Vietnamese bun. This is, I think, the first time that we make burger with Vietnamese bun. I don't think anybody has done this before. So let's see how it turns out. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna chop the mushrooms. This is gonna be one of the topping in our burger. I have no idea if this will go well. I assume that the mushrooms will shrink, so I'm making a lot. I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea. I'm sure all you professional chefs are probably cringing and probably yelling at me and probably like seeing all the mistakes that I'm making. Okay, that's our mushroom. Okay, so we have done our preparatory work. Now we have to work on the beef. All right, the beef. How do I do the beef? No idea. Okay, I'm just gonna put the beef in there and then probably season it with a little bit of salt and garlic powder and maybe just a little dash of pepper. And then I'm just gonna use my hands. I don't know if we have enough beef. We're trying to make 2 burgers here. All right, now that I've done that, now here's the tricky part. I'm gonna make little balls. Maybe like a little ball like that. I'm gonna make a little ball like this. And I'm gonna make a little ball like, well, this is fun. This is like Play-Doh. Who knew cooking could be so much fun? Well, this one's a little bit too big. So, oh well, we'll make a big one. Alright. See, here's the trick. Here's the challenge, right? We gotta make the burger patty the same shape as the banh mi. So how's that gonna work out? I don't know. So maybe like that. So here we go. Now we have our 2 beef patties. They are roughly in the shape of the banh mi. So they'll probably fit the banh mi pretty well. Maybe a little bit too small. So let me just like press it a little bit more. That's about the right size, you think? All right. So that's ready. Now, I think we can go to the cooking area. So I'm just heating up the pan. Why don't we put a piece of butter in here, another piece here. All right. Just wait for the butter to melt. We're using New Zealand grass-fed butter, so the good stuff. We'll put the bacon in here like so. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. This did not come from a recipe. It came from my mind. I'm not going by a recipe here. And why don't we put the mushroom in there? Perfect. That looks good, right? I think it's gonna be yummy. I have no idea how I'm gonna put the patty in there. Let's see if this will work. Oh, come on. Okay. It might just work. Oh, please don't fall apart on me. And this one, let's go. Okay, looks good. It's still keeping its shape. So it might actually work. no idea what I'm doing. Oh yeah. Oh no. I think we can use some soy sauce. I have no idea. I think mushroom goes over soy sauce, right? There's no recipe, there's no plan. Just do it. Okay, I think we can turn over the beef. How can we turn off the beef without... looks good. Looking quite good actually. It did not fall apart. So the beef patty stayed together. I think it will go very well on the Vietnamese sandwich. The mushroom is probably not going to work out. It's too big. I have no idea how that's going to fit on the sandwich. You want to make sure the beef is cooked through, so it's well done. It's not rare in between. Maybe just a little bit. Wow, it's a big mess. I'm hungry already. I can't wait. Saliva's coming out. Oh wow. Why not? Tom Peng style. I think it's ready. Let's turn on the heat. Let's bring our sandwich over. Now we have to decorate our sandwich, alright? And also bring over our cheese. Oh, I forgot! I need to put the cheese on the beef, like so. Oh shit. Okay. Gotta put the cheese like that on the beef. Okay. I think we're ready. We have a little bit of a challenge here because I think the beef patty looks really small compared to the sandwich. So this is what we're gonna do. Oh shit. I think we can only make one. So we're gonna do it like so. Wow, what happened here? What is that? I have no idea. Oh god. Oh, what a disaster. Okay. Let's just arrange this a little bit. Well, I guess we don't need that one. Here we go. That's gonna be our Bánh Mì Burger. And of course, on top of that, we're gonna add some bacon. All right, add some bacon on top of the beef, like so. And then we're gonna add some mushrooms. You cannot have a burger without mushroom. That looks good. That looks good. And then, of course, we put the bun on top like so. Let me show you what it looks like. Cut open the said burger. And then I want to see the inside. So juicy. Well, not really. Let's see how it tastes. Well, that's it. I think it would be good if we have some wine to go with it, but I can't wait. The mushroom is perfect. Let me just bite into my Tom's Bánh Mì Burger, alright? World's first Bánh Mì Burger. Oh my god. So good. I mean, I could have picked a fattier beef, like more juicy. It's so good. Oh my god. I would pay $100 for this burger. Oh. Fuck. So good. So, that's how you eat well, even during a lockdown. Just because we're in a lockdown, you don't have to suffer. You don't have to eat crap food. You can make great food at home. Take some fucking action and don't be a fucktard.